southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Period 4 seconds. Intercoastal waters a moderate chop.
Captain Tim. Make our way out, see what we see as far as bird activity. Keep in mind, birds are always the #1 giveaway where the fish are. The birds are looking for the bait, so are the fish. Fish will chase up the bait, the birds will be right there to grab them. Find the birds, find the fish. About 2 to 4 out here, very doable on this boat. Probably a 5 thrown in here every now and then, but the camera never does it justice how rough it is, but I can't go too fast. We're doing about 10 miles an hour. Wait a minute. We got frigates. We got a big group of frigates up there. Got some nice blue water out here, a bunch of flying fish, a little bit of birds. Got a pretty nice brisk wind out here. It's gonna blow me in a little bit, so I'm gonna start drifting, but I did see an edge on the way out here that I might fish. First thing I'm doing on the drift is I always get out the sea anchor here. Not only does it turn the boat, allow us to put all the lines off one side of the boat nice and evenly, it also kind of takes away a little bit of the chop out here. It doesn't make it, you know, as choppy. There's, you know, it's like 2 to 4 out here, and normally you're like this without the sea anchor. You put that out there to stabilize this thing just a little bit, very minute, but just enough to help. Fight! Didn't even get lines out. Just a few lines out. Tim's working the kite. We got bit right away. You're a real one, baby.
Good job, Captain Mike.
Slammed it.
So I was just getting the second kite bait out, and Captain Mike said, hey, Rodney's setting the hook on another rod over there. And this has got a little beef to it as well, Captain Mike. Spinners are great. Oh, this thing's got a little bit of beef to him.
Coming right to us, this one is. That big bonita, maybe?
Could be.
Oh, man,
Give it up a little.
Bunch, this one.
Definitely got a football on yours.
You didn't get bit on the kite.
Oh, it's
yours
bit.
came off. Yours came off. Yeah. blackfin. That's my biggest blackfin ever.
What a huge blackfin. Awesome, Captain Mike.
Woo! Biggest blackfin ever right there. That thing's every bit of 30.
Yeah.
35?
Yeah.
Woo! Damn.
With live bait, fishing's easy.
Look at that. They say blackfin won't eat a wire leader. Look at that. Pipe that thing down.
Butterball.
Yeah! Big fish. Woo!
Yeah. Real reports.
Nice
Getting
fish.
blood all over my livebait.com
Yeah!
shirt.
What a fish. We're gonna go in the bucket. That tuna was absolutely enormous. It was so big for a little bit there, I thought I had a shark on the way it was acting, but stuck with it. You know, 20-pound gear, 40-pound fluoro, little piece of wire on there, and got it on. That took every bit of, what do you think, 30 minutes?
Yep.
Yeah, that was legit. That's
I'd
a big
have to
fish.
shoot.
Valerie's gonna be pretty happy to, she loves playing with different sushi recipes, so we're gonna see if we get another one. I think we had another bite, we had another one, but we'll try to do it. Rodney did that, by the way, straight out of the rod holder. Woo! All right, so we're gonna reset here. The wind picked up on us, the seas picked up on us, all kinds of. Reel Reports, guys. If you haven't signed up for an account yet, sign up, ReelReports.com. I'll be giving away some stuff in there. You're gonna get all kinds of perks, fishing reports, fishing tips, fishing articles, the best fishing guides. Log in there. Wind really picked up on us. A couple big storms flew to right by, you know, off our north there. Tim had a really big fish on the kite there. I'm thinking it was a big tuna, maybe a bluefin or yellowfin. Could have been a big shark, but it was a ripping line, nearly spooled him. Went all the way to the knot before we can get the boat forward and chase it. And she came off there. Getting one more drift in here. It's pretty rough, so we're gonna there. Yes!
Oh, he's way out there. Nice jump. Big sailfish. Clear this up. Good job.
Nice fish. Nice fish. Beautiful fish, Captain Tim.
Good job on the eye.
Nice. Let's go. Tuna time. I think so.
Let her eat.
Step again. Feels like a shark?
No, no.
Oh.
I don't know if maybe the line was wrapped around.
I think that's a real one, dude. Flip again. Witching hour here. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that sun. What a shot.
She's pinwheeling now. She's got another turn left in her. Oh! Good stroke. My God!
Damn, dude! What are you doing, Tim? Ah!
Real report!
Take this. Dude! What a fish!
Bam!
All right, guys, that is all for us today here at ReelReports. Got a beautiful sunset right there off South Beach. It was rough out here. I mean, we're gonna be sore tomorrow, but it was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that episode. That was ReelReports. That was a little bit of tuna. We had a sailfish. I think Captain Tim had a bluefin or a yellowfin on. I mean, he got nearly spooled over there. Just action, action, action. You can't beat it. And I'm losing my voice, but just look at that sunset. That's gorgeous. Captain Tim's fish over here bleeding in the bucket.
Bleeding all over me.
And the boat.
Priority, guys. Clean off your front ends first before you clean anything else.
We're gonna get one more here.
For a change, it's not my boat.